It is wise to invest on data backup rather than pay the ransomware. Backup and recovery organizations help in the process of creating and storing copies of data that can be used to protect organizations against data loss. Even as India faces its worst economic crisis in almost 3 decades, local crypto trading, especially on peer-to-peer exchanges, has peaked. Anticipating a favorable result, not only did new crypto exchanges and Bitcoin trading platforms launch in India, but some also relaunched their apps. Trading app scammers prey on vulnerable people online and lure them into investing into these apps with schemes and investment opportunities that are really just a peck of lies. Most of the cyber incidents create multiple challenges for organizations, and ransomware is right on the top since it brings uncertainty along with panic across the organizations. More than half of all businesses that are victims of a cyber attack or data breach are subsequently subject to public scrutiny and suffer losses in brand reputation, customer loyalty, and customer trust. Anyone can be at risk of a data breach, from individual to high-level enterprises and governments. More importantly, anyone can put others at risk if they are not protected. In general, data breaches happen due to weakness in technology and user behavior. While enterprises build a robust security infrastructure for their networks, they often fail to protect themselves from the two other equally important aspects: human error and third-party services or providers. The weakness in technology can be either at the organization's end, or it can be security flaw of the third party supply chain provider of the organization. A report says increasing volume of ransomware now comes via exposed remote desktop protocol, that is RDP services, or unpatched remote access devices. Let's look into today's headline in War India. Google, Facebook are ready to comply with revised IT rules. Government of India is yet to take a call on whether to give a few weeks extension to large social media platforms. Google and Facebook have both expressed their readiness to comply with the revised information technology rules that come into effect from today. The largest social media platform, Facebook, which also runs Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram, among the largest messaging and social media platforms in India, said that it aims to comply with the new rules even as it continues to discuss a few of the issues which need more engagement with the government, a Facebook spokesperson told in a statement. RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das asked private banks to boost credit flow. Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikanta Das on May 25th told chiefs of select private banks to boost credit flows in retail and business borrowers. He also called on them to implement the measures announced by the central bank on May 5th. The governor recognized the critical role played by the private banks as important stakeholders in the Indian banking sector. He impressed upon the banks to quickly and swiftly implement the measures announced by RBI on May 5th, 2021 in the right earnest, the RBI said in a statement. Infosys expanded COVID-19 facilities for employees in 10 different cities in India. Infosys has set up COVID-19 care facilities for its employees and the dependents across 10 cities in India as part of its initiative to counter the pandemic. Infosys has partnered with 172 hospitals across 34 cities to provide COVID-19 vaccines to its employees and their dependents. It has set up vaccination center at its campus and partnered with hospitals for vaccines, testing and medical care. Infosys is also providing financial support, exploring training and job opportunities for the next of the kin, and offering necessary assistance to support dependents of deceased staff members. Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 with 14th generation Intel and AMD Ryzen CPUs launched in India. The new Surface laptop models come with 11th generation Intel and AMD Ryzen CPU options. Microsoft has introduced both 13.5-inch and 15-inch models with a 3:2 pixel sense touchscreen. The Surface Laptop 4 features a starting price of rupees 1,02,999 and goes all the way up to rupees 1,77,999 for the top model. The Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 is available through Amazon retail stores and commercial resellers. The laptop comes in black and platinum color options. Qualcomm Inc.'s biggest SEZ lease deal in Telangana. Qualcomm is setting up a mega facility spread over nearly 1.6 million square feet at a SEZ in Hyderabad. This will be the largest SEZ leasing deal in Telangana. It will also be Qualcomm's largest facility in India. The Qualcomm facility to be house over 17 stories at the Sustain Properties SEZ being developed by K. Rahija Group at Rai, Durg. It will entail an investment of rupees 3,904 crore and will create about 8,700 jobs over the next 5 years. The SEZ facility is expected to generate IT services exports to the tune of rupees 28,658 crore over the next 5 years. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store. The latest news and analysis. Stay tuned. Thank you so very much.